Today in the state of Maryland where you live, it's 85 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly cloudy. Air quality index, the green stuff, 31. Serenity, good air, feels like 92 degrees. Wind, 6 miles per hour. Visibility, 9.9 mile. Barometer, 30.18 inch. And as you can see on the left, you'll see it's 89 degrees, partly sunny. But we're nearly going to deal with the middle numbers of this right here, right now. It's 85 degrees. We're going to go over to the Doppler radar, which is we're going to start off with temperatures, even though it's going to be very, very hot outside. All right, so we're going to take a look. We will get to the radar observation in just a moment, but first we're going to start off with the temperatures. And look right here, you guys, in the state of Maryland where you live, you can see here on the orange side and on the yellow side. See, yellow is going to be 70, and then the orange side is going to be 85. You know, guys, it's going to be very, very hot outside, and you'll be very, very sweaty. You just have to drink water, even though you'll be sweaty. All right. So other than that, Maryland and Delaware is going to be very, very, very hot outside, which is on the 70s on the yellow stuff and 85 on the orange side, and as well as Delaware. And the rest of the United States, which is Michigan, New York, New Hampshire, Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, and Tennessee, it's going to be on the 50s on the green stuff, 70s on the yellow, and 85 on the orange side. Now, moving on to the radar observation. Indiana is going to be rain, but on the hot day forecast, you guys, in the state of Maryland, it's showing it's very empty and quiet, and as well as Delaware. It's not going to be rainy because it's going to be cloudy and even mostly cloudy. And in Kentucky and Tennessee, as you can see here, it's going to be rain. So on the precipitation is on the 0.01 radar. So right here in the state of Maryland and somewhere else, which is on the United States, so on and so forth. And look, you guys, the green stuff, which is 0.08, and it's moving just a little bit in. Look at this. It's going to be moving in Harford County and Cecil County, which is on the precipitation, and it's moving in West Virginia. It's going to clear up the precipitation, and even though it's going to be entering Ohio and then Indiana and heading right back to West Virginia and then Kentucky and then Tennessee. So Tennessee is going to be on the precipitation, and as well as Virginia and just a little bit of North Carolina, but mostly it won't be just a little bit in North Carolina. So it's moving on different directions, the north, south, and east. All right, it's going to be way up, way on the right side, and even though you can see here, South Carolina is really moving on the precipitation, which is 0.01. With the satellite white stuff, it's going to be moving. And on the United States, we're going to get to Maryland and Delaware in a moment, but first we're going to stick with the all over the United States. Alright guys, so satellite on the white stuff is in mostly in the United States, which is, we're going to name it, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, New Jersey, New York, New York City, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and even New Hampshire. And even though, you guys, where you live, right here at the home state, which is in Delaware and Maryland, Maryland is in the satellite white stuff as well. So it's moving different directions. The north, east, south, and on the west. Alright, so you can see here, the hours are going to be changing, and even though satellite is really moving on the hours, as well as from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Clouds. Mostly, you guys, clouds are going to be moving in Maryland because it's going to be on the degrees, which is mostly cloudy around 85. So Maryland is really moving on the clouds. Delaware is moving on the clouds as well, and the rest of the United States, right here, right now, you can see here, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, north to South Carolina, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, and Illinois, and so on and so forth, you guys. So you can see here, it's moving like circles. So it's moving on the north, east, south, and and on the west. Clouds are going to be moving. So we know it's going to be we know it's going to be hot outside, but look at the numbers, you guys, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see here, it's going to be on the 80s where you live in the Maryland. All right, so 85 degrees in Bel Air, 85 in Belcamp, 85 degrees in Cadenville, 85 exactly the same thing in Chesapeake City. Chestertown showing 86, Churchville back to 85, Columbia same thing. Conowingo, the lower of 84, and even the lower of 83, which is Darlington. Dundalk showing 85, Edgewood showing 84, Elkridge 86, Elton 85, Ellicott City 86, Essex 86, Fallston 85, Frederick 84, Glen Burnie 87, Hagerstown 86, same thing in Halethorpe. Happy Grace 83, Jaredville 84, Jessup 86, Droppertown 84, Kingville 85, Laura 85, Mill River 85, Nottingham 84. And look, Ocean City showing the 70s, which is 74 degrees and sunny. Owens Mills 84. Perry Hall showing 85, Perryville showing 81, the lower. The Pikeville showing 85. Queenstown 83, Randallstown and Reisterstown showing 84 degrees, partly sunny. Rising Sun 84, Riverside 85, Rosedale 85, Savage 85, Towson 84, Whiteford 84, White Marsh 85, Joppa 84, Northeast 85, Aberdeen 85, Aberdeen Proving Ground same thing, and even Baltimore where you live showing 86, Annapolis 85, and Aberdeen 84. So you know, look at this, guys. So we are mostly on the 80s except Ocean City. With the historical weather around June, it's going to be around July, which is July 1st. So, but we're gonna stick with the June forecast as well, okay? So average high 84. Average low, 64. I'll say it again. Average high, 84. Average low, 64. Record high, 98 degrees, 1994. Record low, 45 degrees, 1993. Average rainfall, 4.37 inch. So with the day details, day details, day. Expect partly sunny skies, the high will be 89. Night, the sky will be partly cloudy, the low will be 73. So record rain, 1.19 inch 2006. Average rain, 0.15 inch. So what the temperatures are showing, the record high, 95 degrees, 2010. Record low, 56 degrees, 2004. And then sunrise, 5:41 a.m., sunset, 8:37 p.m. And with the precipitation on the right, you'll see it's 26%, humidity 57%, and then UV index 10, very high, and then max wind 13 miles per hour. So today's gonna be mostly cloudy around 86 and 85, and then tomorrow it's going to be mostly sunny around 91 degrees. Now here's the rest of the forecast as always. So here we go. So Tuesday is going to be sunny with a record high of 93 and as well as 93 with a T-storm on Wednesday. Another T-storm around 88 degrees Thursday. Friday is going to be 84 degrees, thunderstorm. Saturday and then Sunday is going to be light rain. Start off with Saturday around 81. Sunday it's going to be 82. And then on Thursday it's going to be July, okay? It's going to be 88 degrees on July. And then on Sunday, with the 4th of July, it's going to be 82 degrees, light rain. Monday, it's going to be 86 degrees, partly sunny. And finally, the 88 degrees, partly sunny on Tuesday. Now, here's the breakdown, all right? So, the only mostly cloudy, mostly sunny we're going to get is on tomorrow. And the only sunny we're going to get is on Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's going to be T-storm. Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be light rain. And then 2 partly sunnies around Monday and Tuesday.